Now, the other questions that people always ask is like, well, when do I go into search terms? When do I look at the search term report? Like, you're so far from looking at the search term report, it's not even funny. Like, don't worry about that. The other question a lot of people ask is, well, when do I start scaling my ads? You're so far away from scaling your ads, you're not even on the same planet. Scaling your ads, the best way of scaling your Amazon ads is this: starting your ads, letting time run its course, turning off negative targets that lose money, letting the ones that are still making money do their thing, let more time pass, turn off more negative targets, and then raise your bid placements. Once you only have like 5 or 6 targets left that all are well below your break even, then you scale within that campaign. That's it. Like, the majority of people are playing around with their bids and their placements and way too much, and they don't even understand the fundamentals of what they're doing with their ads. And that just gets you into trouble and gets you losing money. And I've seen this time and time again with students. And if you're wondering, should I set up ads in all marketplaces? No, not until you can confidently run ads in one marketplace should you set up ads in another marketplace. The more ads you set up as a beginner, the longer it will take you to learn how to run ads successfully. And I also want to hammer home the point: everything I've talked about, I use on low content coloring books, and of course on my high content books. It works no matter what type of book you have. However, high content, highly profitable books make your ads so much easier to run. When your profit margin is $6, $7, $8, $9, or $10 per sale compared to $2, $3, or $4 per sale, your ads are so much easier to run. So much. So that's a very important point to take into account. Some of you are publishing books and your royalty is like $4 or $5. You're running ads that are very, very, very difficult to run because you have no room for margin. So the higher your profit margin is, the easier it is to run your ads.